Well, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is still months away, but the rumors regarding the flagship hasn't stopped. Today also, we've got some confirming juicy leaks on the display, the camera, and some major speed upgrades regarding the device. And if you're eyeing Samsung's next flagship, you'll want to hear this. First up, let's talk about the screen. We're looking at a massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED display, but the rumor is it's going to be significantly brighter and more power efficient than before. What's really interesting, though, is a feature spotted in the One UI 8.5 code called Private Display. Think of it as a built-in privacy filter to stop people next to you from peeking at your screen. Super handy for public transport. Under the hood, performance is set to jump. Expect the global version to pack the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset or the Exynos 2600 in some regions. And to handle all that power, rumors point to enhanced thermal management, meaning less overheating during those heavy gaming sessions. Plus, we could see 16 gigabytes of RAM becoming the standard, a serious boost for multitasking. Now for the camera, which is always an ultra highlight. The leak suggests we'll keep the powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, but with an upgraded aperture for better low-light shots. It's also rumored to pair that with two 50-megapixel lenses, one for the 5x telephoto zoom and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. This setup sounds like an absolute photography beast. Battery-wise, it's tipped to stick with a 5,000 mAh capacity, but here's the big news. Finally, a charging speed upgrade. We're hearing the S26 Ultra could support 60-watt wired fast charging, a welcome jump from the current 45-watt. So to recap, brighter display with a cool privacy mode, next-gen performance, a lighter build with better cooling, an upgraded camera system, and that long-awaited 60-watt charging. It's shaping up to be an incredible phone. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest tech news. Till then, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.